Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video we will talk about like how we can adjust the opacity of the video and how positioning will affect the video. Recently we talked about the color correction and the basic correction of the skin tone and the video, and before that we talked about like how we can remove the video. This video is also linked with those videos, those two videos. So let's start the video. So first of all, let's take this video and make it a little shorter and remove the background. I'm just doing this. I'll let you know that why we are doing this. Now you can also see that oh, we can redo this, and what we can do, we can add this video over my video. Now you can see that we cannot see my video. Uh, if we hide this coins video, then you can see my video. Otherwise, we cannot see my video. Now, if we go to the basic video editing section and after that we go to the blend mode, here you can see the opacity. If we make it to the 30%, then this will show really something like something is doing. If I talked about the cash or some sort of money, then this really gives a cool effect. But still we can use, I think so we can make it more better. So what we can do, we can make the opacity to 100% and we can make it to the screen. Ta-da. What was the difference between these two? Here you can see a black background in the coins video. If we decrease the opacity of the video, then still we have that black background which make our video a little bit dull. Not a little bit, but almost make our video up to 30% dull at that point because the opacity is 30%. So what we have to do, we have to make it to 100% and then change the blend mode to the screen. Now we don't have that black background. We only have that coins. Actually, screen is a blend mode in which the upper part of the video merge with the second video and only a little part that's a difference from that background. Actually, the background merge in the first video. So there is no background and we can see only the subject in that video or object which we want to show. So let's play this video and see what are the results. Like, yes, this is now really looking good. We can also make it a little bigger so we can, yeah, now this is a more fast. We can also do one more thing. No, that actually that for that we need a, larger clip, but still here you can see like if we make it a more bigger, you can see like it's really looking nice now. But if we make it up to 100%, then I think that it's not looking really nice as compared to the larger scale. See, here are a lot of coins, and we can track every coin. So, what we have to do, we just have to adjust the size of the video. Here you can see. Now, we cannot track every coin because it's moving really very fast and it's really looking good. We can also adjust the speed of the video, but we have short, really short video, so we cannot adjust the size. So this is how the opacity and the blend mode will help you in any video and make it more cool. This is just a simple video. See, nothing is happening in the video, and maybe no one take interest in the video, even it's mute because this is the algo of the Instagram. Because sometimes Facebook and Instagram make your video move mute when you are just scrolling down the feed. But if these coins are on your video, then everyone loves to watch your video because they show that you are talking about the money, and I think everyone loves money. Yes, me too. Okay, so this is how you can change the opacity, sorry, blend mode to the screen to make it look more nicer. But the first thing you have to keep in mind that you should click on that video, on the upper video which you want to merge with the with your own video. So you have to click on the coins video or the video you want to blend, and then you have to change your blend mode. So it will not work if you click on your own video and you change the blend mode to the screen. It will not work, so because there is no video under this, under my video. So it there should be a video to make it blend to something, because this is the screen of the first video. So this is how you can adjust the opacity and the blend mode to make it more appealing. Also, for example, this is a video, and this is how people really get a lot of views on the video, because this is just a simple video, but still people love to listen what he is talking about. But because he's the money machine, so everyone wants to learn from him like what he's talking about. But if you add this thing in the video, then this is really showing like, wow, he's really talking about something related to money and not life lesson. But here you can make a little, make down opacity a little bit to make it more because I want to show his face more in the video as compared to the coins. You can still use the cache. Let's suppose we have a cache over there, and now you can also see a black background. Try to use the black background, because black background and white background really stand out when we change the blend mode of the video. Now, first of all, I have to select this video, I mean the cache video, and then I have to change the blend mode to screen. Now here you can see. Now I have to make it a little bigger, so we cannot see a lot of cache in the video, and then the opacity a little bit low to make the video more prominent. And now let's see the results. Yes, this is good. But why cache is moving? I think so. I downloaded it in a wrong dimension. L- yes. So we can, what we can do, we can move this video in that way, and now adjust the size of the video. See what you will get. Now we can make it a little bit more, drop down the opacity to make video more appealing. So this is how opacity and blend mode and the positioning will stand out your video. And because this is just a really very minor tricks and minor tips which will stand out your video, because these are the things no one consider, because you have to brainstorm on these things and you have to think out of your box that what you can get in your video to make it more appealing. Because right now this was the trend, but right now everyone is just want to make reel on talking something, but still you have to add some flash in your video. Either it's a graphics, either it's a cache or some sort of those things with a blend mode of screen to make it more appealing. So this is all about this video.